Hi, welcome to Java coding questions. Today we'll try to write a Java program to remove duplicate keywords from the given string. For example, if we take a string here, Java is robust and Java is artificial neutral. We have observed here there is one duplicate word, that is Java. We need to remove that from the given string, right? For that we can follow with many kind of approaches. Right now we'll try to use set interface in order to remove the duplicate words here, right? So basically I am trying to split the given string separated with the spaces, right? So you can do with this regular expression so that it is going to produce a array of strings, right? So now you got this array contains all the strings which includes duplicates. Now what I will do now, I will try to create one set interface where the set interface will store strings. Okay, I am going to build from the util package and I am making this as a result new. I am trying to implement hash it, right? Now observe what is going to be happen when I am trying to retrieve the data from the data array and trying to place in the result set, right? If it is not available in the result set, it is going to be added. If it is available in the result set, then it won't be added, right? For that, what I can do now, I can simply go for some for loop int I equal to 0, I less than data dot length I plus plus, and then I am trying to perform result dot add method is there which is used for to add the data into the set. Add of what I am trying to add, I am trying to add which is available in the thing, right? So which I can say it as data of I, right? If I am trying to add this, it will be added, and if it is not available, if it is available already, it won't be added. That's it, right? So finally it's now that print of I need to print result, right? Observe, if I am going to execute this one, it will simply have robust Java neutral is architecture. That's it, right? Which means that I have eliminated the duplicate word Java, right? So this is the one way of eliminating the duplicate words. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.